Welcome to Glass Break, a new series exploring topics related to all things glass. Every year, our Hot Shop team designs and creates a limited edition series of goblets for our Red Hot auction. They start by gathering from the furnace where the molten glass is kept at 2100 degrees Fahrenheit. Frit is concentrated colored glass in a granular form. In this case, they're using a combination of yellow, orange, and red. Once they've wound the colored glass onto the surface of the clear, Ben will go in with the tweezers and further manipulate that to create the marbling effect. At this point in the process, they're creating the ball of the stem. They apply a pad of clear glass, and that's creating a larger surface area to apply the cylinder section of the stem. Gabe just brought over another bit of clear glass that's going to be shaped into a disc. This is again creating surface area to drop on the foot. The foot is a bubble prepared on a separate blowpipe and dropped onto the base of the stem. Next, they're going to add a lip wrap. They're using a red colored glass, and this will also match the lip of the cup. The next step in the process is to transfer the stem and foot onto a puntee. This gives them access to the top of the stem so they can apply the cup. They prepared the cup prior to the stem. It was setting aside in the garage at 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. A small bit of molten clear glass is applied as the glue bit, and the cup follows immediately after. Once all the parts are put together, he'll work on straightening out the goblet before putting it away into the annealing oven. Once it's put together and straightened, finally it goes to the annealing oven, where it slowly cools over a period of time so that it doesn't crack from thermal shock.